Hi guys, this is my 1971 I have up for sale on eBay, or it will be up for sale real soon. As you can see, I've torn the thing completely apart. All the pictures are on eBay. Something a little clear. Tank, all the tin's been painted, got new mufflers, new tires front and rear, new brakes front and rear, new chain. I think I put new sprockets on it, just the list, but carburetor's been completely overhauled, the top end's been completely overhauled, new clutch, all new cables, everything works on it. The speedometer's been replaced, but this one shows 31,000, so the amount of miles on it is unknown. Got a good horn, blinkers work, front and rear. Headlight works. See that part? Right, yeah. So, and high beam indicator works. Everything there works. So now I'm going to crank her up. I always like to give it a little choke. Turn the gas on. I have to lay this down so I can crank it up. This year 71 is